2023 was our first Cleantech Agri-food Accelerator, and it's been really exciting, covering some territory that we haven't before, opening up new opportunities and relationships, and dealing with a different type of founder.
We're about to launch the 2024 Cleantech Agri-food Accelerator. Once again, we're supporting 10 companies, mentors around them, partners around them, and help facilitate growth and resilience. So look, if you're keen to apply, we would love to have you. You can come out to Orange, visit our facility, and help grow your company, so please apply.
You'd be mad not to. What I've learned is that creating an environment with a cohort of people that are on the same journey as you, that's safe but also challenging, really enables you to think differently about your own business and to tackle problems in a different way. And I certainly think this program is a must-do to succeed.
SparkLabs has a very strong network. They can introduce me to the right person they can improve for my business. Everything I can find other program can do that except here.
It's been an amazing opportunity to meet and work with a really diverse group of amazing entrepreneurs, but it's also been an ability to be able to work with the Cultiv8 team. Their connections and their ability to give us access to amazing companies, thought leaders. It's been amazing. The last 6 months has seen us go from strength to strength.
If you want to make an impact in the agricultural world, this program gets you front and centre in front of the right people really efficiently.
There have been so many different opportunities for us to work with other people to really improve our cost effectiveness, but also to improve our product.
It's been a real benefit for us to have the mentoring from the SparkLabs team and also to meet with other companies that are also at the startup stage and learn from their experiences.
I'd highly recommend joining next year's cohort for any company that's just getting started. You can't do it alone. If you look at other parts of the world, the reason those small companies become big companies is because of the support that wraps around them, and that's what Cultiv8's all about.
We had an opportunity to actually ground ourselves. We could actually touch base with who our customers were. We were reminded of what our purpose was. It was such a wonderful grounding experience that really just helped solidify our objectives.
You should definitely apply. You'll get access to an unbeatable ecosystem for Australia. You'll be part of a wider ecosystem internationally. The SparkLabs brand is globally respected from the Valley into Asia and also Australia. So you should apply.
It's been fantastic.